Overlord. Crazy 8's. The Overlord has solicited the Crazy 8's, the most feared crime syndicate in Novus, to cause havoc across the city. They smile as they randomly decide whether to kill you or let you go. If you see an 8er heading in your direction, run the other way. So, in the longest card of the Overlord and one of the most chaotic, if a card is drawn including during a faction play that has a value of 8, pause the game after completion of that particular phase. Each player draws 2 community cards starting with the player whose turn it is. If any card is the same color as another, kill it and draw again until all 4 cards are different colors. Okay, so we're going to start with that. We're going to do my move phase. I'm going to start by saying +1 brown. I'll do this. There are no grays, so I'm going to draw the draw card, which is an 8. So at this moment, I stop the game. So both of us are going to draw cards. Now, if the cards are the same color, so I'm going to draw 1, 2, and I'll draw first a brown and a green. And the opponent would then draw a blue and a black, okay? If any of these were the same color, starting with me, if I had drawn these 2 and he draws a green, then boom, we'd have to kill it and draw again until all 4 are different. Now is where the real fun begins. Each player chooses one of their cards, kill all the cards on the board of that color. Move all the cards on the board from the other color to allies. Place the 4 drawn cards in the neutral area and continue playing from where the turn had left off. And this can only be triggered 1 time, so this can't happen twice. So looking at the board, I'd say, you know, because I'd kill a lot of browns on my side, I'm going to go ahead and move the browns to my side. So I take all of the browns on the board, all of them, and make all of these my allies. I then would have to kill my own 5s, but I'd also kill his 14. So it's a net positive for me. Then the opponent will come back and do the same. Say, okay, blacks look particularly bad for him to kill the blues. So I think what he would do is he would take the blue, all the blues to allies because of all the blues on that side of the board. All of the blues go to the opponent's side. Meanwhile, all the blacks would have to be killed, so got to kill his own and then kill my blacks. And if you look at where this board ends at the end of the Crazy 8's, you will understand why the card is called the Crazy 8's.